Weight problem. Luxury SUVs have become larger and heavier over time because manufacturers continue adding more technology, sound insulation, safety systems, and premium materials. Vehicles like the Range Rover or BMW X7 can weigh far more than traditional sedans. That extra mass affects braking, handling, tire wear, and fuel consumption. Even when the engines are powerful, physics still limits how efficiently such heavy vehicles can move. Complex technology. Modern luxury SUVs are filled with advanced electronics designed to improve comfort and convenience. Large touchscreens, air suspension systems, driver assistance features, and digital controls create a highly refined experience when new. However, these systems also increase complexity. As vehicles age, repairs often become expensive because many components rely on specialized software and interconnected electronics. Depreciation reality. Luxury SUVs can lose value quickly after the first few years of ownership. While they may feel prestigious when new, maintenance costs and reliability concerns often reduce demand in the used market. Buyers interested in second-hand luxury vehicles sometimes discover that repair bills remain close to premium car levels, even when the vehicle itself has depreciated heavily. This creates a gap between purchase price and ownership cost. Fuel efficiency. Contradiction. Many luxury SUVs advertise modern hybrid systems or efficient engines, yet their large size still limits overall efficiency. Even with advanced engineering, moving a tall and heavy vehicle requires significant energy. The result is a contradiction where some models present themselves as environmentally conscious, while remaining far less efficient than smaller vehicles. This tension has become more noticeable as environmental awareness increases globally. Off-road image versus reality. Luxury SUVs often market themselves using rugged outdoor imagery, showing mountain roads, deserts, and remote landscapes. In reality, many owners rarely drive beyond paved city streets. Although vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz G-Class still possess serious off-road capability, most luxury SUVs spend their lives in urban environments. The adventurous image becomes more about lifestyle branding than actual use. Maintenance costs. Routine ownership expenses for luxury SUVs are usually higher than expected. Large wheels require expensive tires, complex suspension systems can fail over time, and premium engines often demand specialized servicing. Even small repairs may involve costly electronic components or labor-intensive procedures. What feels luxurious during purchase can become financially demanding later in ownership. Size and urban driving. As luxury SUVs have grown larger, they have also become less practical in crowded cities. Tight parking spaces, narrow streets, and heavy traffic can make oversized vehicles difficult to manage. Despite offering comfort and visibility, their dimensions sometimes create stress in environments originally designed for smaller cars. The trend toward larger SUVs often prioritizes visual presence over everyday practicality. Platform sharing. Many luxury SUVs share underlying platforms and components with less expensive vehicles from the same parent companies. For example, some premium models use engines, chassis structures, or electronic systems closely related to mainstream vehicles. While refinement levels differ, this reality can challenge the perception of exclusivity. Buyers sometimes realize they are paying heavily for branding, materials, and design rather than entirely unique engineering. Performance illusion. Luxury SUVs now produce enormous horsepower figures, with some accelerating as quickly as sports cars. However, their weight and height still affect how they behave dynamically. Manufacturers use advanced suspension systems and electronics to hide these limitations, but the vehicles remain fundamentally large machines. The sensation of speed can be impressive, yet it often differs from the lighter and more connected feeling of a true sports car. Status symbol culture. Part of the popularity of luxury SUVs comes from the social image attached to them. They project wealth, success, and modern lifestyle values in a very visible way. Over time, this image became powerful enough that many buyers chose SUVs even when they did not need the extra space or capability. The hidden problem is that emotional appeal sometimes overshadows practicality, efficiency, and long-term ownership realities.